Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trim excess illustrations on Adobe Illustrator. So there are two ways to do it. First, you can overlay a square on top of your illustrations. Select everything, right click, make clipping mask. Or you can just go to view and then go to trim view. But when you export, make sure you go to file and then where's export? Can I not see it? Export as, and make sure you select use artboard so that the illustrations will be trimmed because you only have it on top of your artboard. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!